Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can set up this new investment website with automatic ROI in this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set it up and how you can manage it, and also how you can set up for your clients. Now, this is the home page of the website. You can see here the design and the layout has already been done for you. You can see the colors, contents, and everything has been done for you perfectly. So you can see all the content. This is why choosers and all that. The images, you can see it is well structured for you and very responsive for all mobile screen devices. All right, so this is just basic page. Now let's just log into our account. Let me show you guys the dashboard. Click on login. Once you click on login, just put your details. I think I'm already logged in. Once you put in your details, take you straight to the dashboard here. All right, so just give it time to load. All right, so all right, perfect. All right, it's loading. You can see your total balance here of your current profits, your total deposit and total withdrawal and everything here. So you can see this live trading option for Bitcoin here. Then you can see investment amount. You can see this here, the date. Then you can see your transaction history, deposit, investment, withdrawal, or year. All right, now let's first one we'll try out now. We could do from year to down year. All right, let's check our profile. Click on profile. All right, see your profile here. You can see your name, then your username, your mobile number. Then you can update your profile picture if you choose to do that. And put in your Ethereum address, Bitcoin address, your Ethereum USD address here. All right, down. So that's just that for this particular session. Then we have the deposit session here. All right, so deposit session here, we can choose the method we want to deposit. So we want to say I want to deposit $2,000. All right, so I want to go through crypto or P2P. So I'll go through crypto for now. Or if you choose P2P, say select payment method. Select payment method is PayPal, Cash App, or Zelle. So you can choose PayPal. Then you can still click on start deposit, but I want to go for crypto. So I'll choose Ethereum on start deposit. All right. All right, you can see invalid payment gateway selected. All right, so let's just choose. I think I'll just go for the P2P paper. Click on start. All right, you can see here paper. You have requested make a deposit using the P2P payment method. I click confirm button. A mail will be sent to you regarding this. Click on confirm payment. All right. I can see payment request sent successfully. So payment instructions will be sent to your email address you used to register. So when doing this, make sure you use your real email address and all that. So that's just that for that. You can still follow the same option for that one. So you can choose your option for Cash App. Still the same process. Click on that. Then click on confirm payment. So that's just that for that. So next one we'll try out now is to implement request sent successfully. So next one we'll try now is to place a withdrawal, all right, on our account. Click on that. Now, current balance withdrawable, we have $48,000 here we can withdraw. So I want to withdraw about $3,000. Click on that. Whether that there. So I'm choose Ethereum as my withdrawal. Then enter payment details. You can put your address in here, all right. Then click on withdraw. All right. So let's just do that real quick. Okay, give it time to load. Okay, it's loading. You can see withdrawal processes. Wait for processing date. So once your withdrawal has been processed, you'll get a confirmation email that okay, your withdrawal processed and your wallet has been created. So that's just how you can actually test that out. So that's just that for that. Now we have our packages here. All right, click on that. Now we have these are the investment packages. We have a starter plan, premium plans, and all that. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4 plans here. You can see 10% per hour. That's the automatic return. That's the automatic ROI. You get 10% of any amount you invest. So you invest $100, you get 10% of that amount every hour. So this is the minimum here, the maximum. They're just contract action one times, then contract action 50 times and all that. So let's say I want to invest this. You can go startup plan. Then you can see your current deposit server is up to the required minimum amount of the package. You can provide the startup plan investment. All right, so I have it actually tell me I have sufficient balance for this. So let's say minimum for this is 100. So that's you can see it's written in there. So let's put 100 there. Then start investment plan. All right, so you can see successful purchase startup plan. You can see that in my history here and the date and time and all that. So Shredder does that for that. So you can see it's running automatically. So every hour now I will get 10% of my earning automatically. So I want to show you guys how you actually can actually set that up for yourself to not worry about that for now. So when you click on my investments, you see my investments, you see this same page, you see your investment logs and all that. You can see all the ones that are running or ended and all that here. So that's just that for that. So next one we have our referrals. So just click on that. You can see you don't have no referrals right now. So if you have any referrals to actually show on that here, so this is your referral link, just copy that, then share to your users and your friends and all that there. So here we click on transaction histories. All right. Transaction histories, you can see your investment was approved. All right, $100. This was the one I did just now. My withdrawal here to deposits are all pending and all that. Yeah. So that's just that on how the particular user side actually works. That's how the user side works. So the next one I will show you guys now is to show you guys the admin side and how the admin can actually manage this particular website and all that. So let's log into our admin real quick. All right, let me see. I think I'm already logged in here. All right, so no, that's not it. Oh, right. This is the admin. This is the admin side. So this is the admin side. So once you log into your admin dashboard, it takes you straight to this landing page here, which you can see the total users, the active users, the banned users, users that registered today, today investments. So running investments, we have our 15-year completed investment. We have zero total investment. We have the amount here, total plans for total interest zero. Today's deposits we have zero. Today deposit okay. Today's deposit we have zero yet. The total deposit we have $200. So $23,000 and today's withdrawal, total withdrawal that's $100 pending withdrawals 40 rejected withdrawals and all that. You can see this bar chart here to see your monthly expenses report and all that here. So very amazing features. So you can see all that here. You can see your total this month investment. You can see that here. This month deposit, this month withdrawal, this month profit, and all that. Perfect. Now here you can see the latest users that are registered on your platform. So you can just click on this action here to actually view the details and all that. So that's just that for this particular dashboard. Now, we have to talk now about is the manage roles. Click on that. Manage roles. So let's see. You can see a group. Click on group. All right. Let's click on group. Just give it time to load. Okay, it's loading. All right. Just give it time to load. All right. So you can see group list. You can see all the admin of this particular um, the admin here. You can see the administrator, you see the manager, you can just add new role. You can add new people who can actually help you to manage your admin dashboard. You can say the group name, you can say, okay, this user I want to add now should be able to manage the referrals, the penny KYC, asset deposit, and all that. If you are done with the others, you can submit. When this user actually log into your account, that's the only thing you are allowed to do. So that's just a very amazing feature. So because for people to have a large amount of users and you want them each staff to be able to manage different sessions and all that. So it's a very amazing feature for that. So that's just that for this particular session. So we have this schedule here. All right. We have this schedule. This schedule here now, you can see your hourly, daily, or monthly. So you can just view or edit this. This is actually for the investment. So you can see every 1 hour. So you can see hour, then you see 1 hour. So every 1 hour they get their profit. And this for the day, that's every 24 hours. This for month, every 720 hours, week 168 hours, a year 8,760 hours. That's for a year. So that's just that for that. So now we have the plans here. You can add. So let's click on manage plans first. You can see all the plans on this particular website now. So let's give it time for it to load. Now you can see our investment plan. We have our mega package. You can see the header text, the title text, and the description and all that. So you can see the packages here we have. You can see starter plan, which is here. You can view this. Yeah, I'll just view this real quick. View or edit. Can view or edit this. You can see, you can change the name here. You can change the uh, ROI investment. You can make it a fixed investment. You just that. So you can change the return percentage to 10% or every hour. See those ones I show you just now is the schedule. So every day, every month, every week, and all that. So that's just that for that. So let's just go back here. You can click on add new packages or add new plan, investment plan. All right, so you can put the plan name here. You can choose the ROI investments, or you can see the fixed. You can see the difference between the ROI and the fixed. You can see you can just choose the capital, no capital, or capital back, then the period and all that. After filling out the details, you can submit. So that's just that for that. Now let's go to referrals. Click on referrals real quick. On referrals, you can see level 1 bonus of 10%, level 2 5%, level 3 3%. So you can actually add new level. Click on add new level here. All right, so as you can see, these are the levels. As I add, you click on that, add, you can see, okay, level 1 bonus and level 3 and level 4, level 5 and all that. So that's just that for this particular session. So that's just that for that. So yeah, we can see transaction log. So transaction log to see all transactions that actually happen on this particular website. You can see everything here on the admin side too. You can see balance generated from purchase starter plan. Is it you can also search via username or search via transaction ID. You can see all search, you can search everything you want and click on search and all that. It's very amazing stuff here. So that's just that for that session. So we'll have all users. You can see all the users on this particular platform that are active, blocked, or verified. You can see all of them here. You can see each user here. This is my user. Click on this. All right, you can see user admin balance. You can see my balance, my profit the day I joined this particular platform. You can add money to my account or you can send me a mail. So let's say I want to add money to my account now. So click on that. You can say add money or the dot. I want to add money to my profit or my account balance. You can see my account balance, put the amount here, then your message and click on submit. So after doing that, the balance user balance will be credited, or if you put on deduct, the money balance will be deducted from their account balance. So that's just that for that. So let's just go back real quick. All right, so you can also send me to this particular user. I'll send me to this particular user. All right, so you can put in the subject here, the message here, and click on send. The user will receive the email on their inbox. So just that for this particular session. Then you can also edit the user details, put in the address, the zip code, country. You can make them active or you can ban this user if you choose to do that. So now let's go to active users. These are the active users. So the session you see all the active users on this particular website. Okay, these are all the active users here. You can see search by name or search by email, which is very amazing. You can see view them. If you view them, you can see all their details here. All right, so you can see all the details here too. So that's that for that. Then the banned users are users that have been banned on this particular website. So you can see no users have been banned now. So if they were banned users, you can see all their details here. So the gateways, click on gateways, that's the payment setting part. So click on that. All right, so you can see we have two payment gateway, Ethereum and Bitcoin. You can choose to edit this. You can see the image, you can see the address that will make the payment to. You can see the minimum amount here, fixed charge or zero, change percentage zero, minimum amount to deposit, maximum, and this is the address you'll make payment to. I say that are active is inactive. Users won't see it when they want to make deposits, but active they will see that. So that's just that for that. And also you can still do add new gateway. You can put in the image, name of the gateway. Let me say this is USD, put in USD, the conversion rate, minimum amount, maximum amount, fixed charge, change charge in percentage, the wallet address you want to make payment to, you can make it active or inactive as you choose. That's all that for this particular session. Now go down to pending deposits. Pending deposits where you can see all the pending deposits on this particular website that users have actually made. So this way you can approve or reject if you choose to. So I have this user here. You can choose to approve this. You can approve or accept. Okay, if you click on accept this deposit, we accept this deposit, user balance will be credited. You can see request has been accepted successfully. If I check my balance now, you see it has been my balance has increased and all that. So you can also see reject if you choose to do that. So that's just that for that. So we have accepted deposits. You can see all the accepted deposits on this particular website. So just give it time to load. You can see all the accepted deposits, which is all this and all that. So we have the rejected deposits where you can see all the rejected deposits on this particular website that has been rejected. So we have just about 1 year now. So that's all that for that. Deposit log can see all the history of all deposits on this particular website. So you can see everything here. You can go to the next page, and all that. That's just that for this particular session. You can see it's very easy to use. Now let's go to the withdrawal settings. You can see the method. You can set in the method users can use to withdraw and all that here on this particular website. Now we have this method here. Let's say we have this method here. Ethereum, the logo, the minimum amount, maximum amount, fixed charge zero, percent of charge zero, rate zero, processing day just 1 day. So user will get the information that oh this Ethereum processing between 1 day and all that. So you can actually set this up here. You can choose to edit the name, the percentage charge, the minimum amount to withdraw, maximum, each charge, change the percentage and all that. And you can make it active or inactive. If it's active, user will see it when you want to make withdrawal. Okay, this is the method that's available. If it's inactive, they won't see it on their end. So that's just that. Yeah, you can choose to add a new one if you choose to. You're just putting the image here, filling all the details. When you're done, click on save. So that's just that for this particular session on how to add your withdrawal method. Yeah, in here you can see your pending withdrawals on this particular website as the admin. All the withdrawals users have made, you can choose to approve or decline. So let's say I want to view this one. So you can see status pending here. Click on view. Click on view. You can see the details here. You can see. All right. So now you can see charge already taken, send zero to this user. All right. Now, once you put, if you want to accept this withdrawal, you can put in a message here. You can say withdraw accepted or your balance withdrawal has been processed or it's been processed. Then click on processed. Click on processed, withdrawal has been processed successfully. If you click on refund, the money will go back to the user's account. So you can write in a message here why it was actually declined or refunded back to them, which is a very amazing feature here. Love that. So now what we have next here is the withdrawal log. So the withdrawal log is at the same thing with deposits where you can see all the withdrawals that have happened on this particular website. You can choose to view them or delete them if you choose to. So you can see this here paid, you can see these other ones are still pending. So that's just that for that. So in here we have the settings. I have the settings here. All right. The settings here you can change the website name, the currency, the color code, you can put the coordination per page, fixed charge, percentage charge, balance transfer, the contact email, your phone number, contact address, your minimum transfer, maximum transfer, bonus, the copyright, you can see the comment section, Then the live chat, you can put in your live chat code here, which is a very amazing feature. Then you can put your footer text, then your Chrome, days wise Chrome payment and all that. You can choose to on email verification or email verification. You can see it's off here. You can see joining bonus. You can on it and users will get 5% or whatever percentage you actually set. When you are doing that, you click on update to tell us that for this particular place. Now let's go on email settings here. All right, so email settings, you can see global template, sorry, global template. So give it time to load. All right, so you can see email template. You can just put setting your email that will send the email. You can put that here and just leave it like that. So that is that for that. Then we have email control. Email control is how where you can set up your SNTP so users can receive mail. You can put your email address you created in your cPanel, then the name, username that will send the email. You can say if your website name is capital bond, you put in capital bond there. Then your host will be your domain name with HTTPS, which is just like this. Then your port is 465, then SSL or TSL, then your username, then your password. After doing that, click on submit. So that's all that for that. Then after that, we have our logo and the five icon. Logo and five icon, you can set in your logos from here. You can see, put in your logo, you can update the logo, the footer logo, and the icon of this website. After doing that, just click on update. So that is just that for that. So the next step I'm going to show you guys now how you can actually set up this website for yourself or for your clients. So let's do that real quick. All right, now after you're getting your domain name and hosting, it take you straight. Once you log into your cPanel, it will take you straight to this dashboard. If you don't know how you can get your domain name and hosting, contact the number on this video, the description of this video, on how you can get your domain name and hosting. So after I've gotten log into your cPanel, take you straight to this dashboard. Now I want to upload the file. So for this, I'm going to upload it inside a domain, a subdomain. So I just click search on domains, click on that. I think I already created it already. So let's see. All right, I created it already. So just click here. So if I want to upload it in the main directory, just click here. But I want to upload this in my subdomain, so just click this. Click on that. All right. Just give it time to load. So once it's finished loading, click on upload here. Upload. Select the particular file from where it was saved on your computer. So just give it time to load. All right, so once you finish loading, select the particular file from your computer, which is this. Click on open. So we just have to wait for it to finish uploading. So once it shows 100 with the blue color, it has not finished uploading. You have to wait for it to show a green color before you can actually cancel this. So just wait for it to finish uploading so we can see that. So just give it time to load. All right, it's loading. Okay, while that is okay, let's just wait for it to finish uploading first before we move on to the next step. All right, as you can see now, it has finished uploading. You can see green color. So just have to do is to cancel this. Once you cancel this, just reload this our page back. Reload here. This is the file. Right click it. Click on extract. Extract. All right. Click on extract. And click on extract like this. All right. Just give it time to finish extracting. All right. So just wait. All right. You can see this. If you see this now, you see it has finished extracting. Click on close. Reload this. Delete this particular zip file. Then since inside this folder, enter that folder, select all, click on move, remove the folder name, just remove the folder name. After doing that, click on move files. All right, perfect. After doing that, Click on settings here. Make sure this show hidden files as make sure it should be click show hidden files, click on save, it should be there. Make sure it's there. So after doing that, click on env, click on edit, click on edit, click on edit. So just wait for it to load. Perfect. Once it's finished loading like this, the next thing to do now is to create our database file. But before doing that, let's go through the installation guide. Okay, bind the scripts, create a new database and import the SQL file in the SQL folder. Now, to create your SQL file, go back to your cPanel here, search for DB database wizard, click on that. The name, you can name it Capital Bond or the name of your website, Capital Bond. Capital Bond. Click on next step, copy that name. So I like using the same name for my username and my password just to make it look very easy for me when setting it up and all that. So I'll show you guys what I mean. So for my username, I'll just copy this same name, paste there, and for my password, I'll paste this here. That's this one. So that my username, my DB name, username, and password will all be the same thing. So click on create user. So after creating users, you have to allow privileges, then click on make changes. Make changes here. So after doing that, you have successfully created your database. Now let's set it up on our env. So on env, database name, paste there. This username, paste there. This paste here. As I said, I like using the same name because it's very easy for me to actually set this up for myself. So after doing that, your app URL is supposed to be your website URL. Now, to get your website URL, since mine is a subdomain, click on domains. All right, click on domains, and from here, this is my subdomain here. So just click on the URL like this, and just copy this, go back to my env, and just paste it here. Paste it here with the HTTPS. Very important, HTTPS. After doing that, click on save. Click on save. Make sure you click on save, very important. After clicking on save, next to do now is to import our database.sql file. So database.sql file is inside SQL. Click on that. Download this to your computer. Click on download. All right, just wait for it to finish downloading. You can see that did successfully. Now go back here, search for PHP myadmin. Click on that. Let it load. Give it time to load. Now, once it's finished loading, you will see the name you created, Capital Bond. Click on that. Then click on import. Then click on browse. You open the particular file, database, look at it here. Click on open. Then scroll down, click on import. So just wait for it to finish. To finish. All right. While that is loading, let's see the next thing to do. Okay, go to your env. I've edited our database. I've done that. So I've saved this. So cancel this. Don't need that anymore. Then to set up your SMTP, that's user to receive mail. Go to your admin settings. Okay, you can once log into your admin, you can do that. And see your demo user login should be useradmin.com password256. The admin URL will be your site URL /admin/login.php for your site URL. That's just that for that. Now, to set up our cron job, which is automatic ROI, so our users can receive their profit automatically instead of you doing it manually. To do that, just let's see if this has finished. Okay, to do that, what we have to do is to copy copy this, search for Chrome jobs. Click on that. Search for Chrome jobs. All right. Now what you have to do is to scroll down here, click on common settings, click on that. Um, supposed to bring that. Okay, click on once per 5 minutes. Click on that. Don't touch anything here. Just scroll down. This command here, paste this thing you copied here, this stuff, copy it, come back here and paste it. Now, this is supposed to be your site URL. So now I'll go back to my site URL, copy this, come back here and replace it like this. Your site URL should just be here like this. After doing that, click on add new cron job. You can see cPanel successfully added a new cron job. So users will get their investment automatically without you doing it manually. So now go back, you can reload your site now. You see that it's load. You can see it's still the same thing. Perfect. So that's how you can actually set up this site. So once this database finish importing, it's like a green stress message here to show that it has finished importing. So that is just that for this video. So if you watch the video properly, you should understand each step of this video. So that is all for today. See you in the next one. Bye bye.